but around the continent, Nigeria is expecting its first 4 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines next week from the global COVAX vaccine program for poor and middle-income countries, the head of the World Health Organization mission in Nigeria. Walter Kazadi Mulombo, who is a representative in Nigeria, told a briefing by video link that Nigeria was expecting 14 million doses in total. Chikwe Ihuaze, director of the Nigeria Center for Disease Control, said the situation in Nigeria was so much far. Let's have a look.
Doses of AstraZeneca vaccine, and 4 million of which are expected later next week.
Nigeria has been very firm in saying that we will not look for bilateral deals. We will work in a multilateral way with WHO, with COVAX, with the African Union to make sure that as we get vaccines into Nigeria, the same happens in Benin, in Togo, in Ghana, in Cote d'Ivoire, in Senegal, in Ethiopia, across the continent. So we're working very hard to get as many vaccines as we can get into Nigeria, at the same time working with our brothers and sisters across the continent.
We can't beat COVID without vaccine equity. Our world will not recover fast enough without vaccine equity. This is clear. So sharing the vaccine which is being produced is actually the best way to bring lives and livelihoods back to normal.
All right, still staying with West Africa, Ivory Coast has